We're almost at Mr. Firework Place. You hear that? Oh, you can even see them. So you see them? Well, those aren't ours. We're here. Fireworks are soon. And we're lucky to have 4th of July at my grandpa's or grandma's because he has the best fireworks ever. They go up like boom and then explode. And just because I wanted to tell you, these are illegal fireworks. Like, we can get a fine for these fireworks. Like, we can literally, these are illegal fireworks we're using. And we can get a fine. And now, I don't know what that means, but hopefully we don't get caught. We're getting ready for the one that shoots in the air really high. We already did like 5 of them today. We did some at daytime too. Here we go. Actually, no, we're not doing the one that shoots in the air. Yeah, Nova, the German Shepherd that you can't see, she was barking all at it. Oh, here's one of them. Here's another one. Luca, it's not loud. This one's, I mean, no, I don't know. It's on fire. That one was boring. It's on fire! It's on fire. It's burning! It's burnt. Oh wait, there's another one. The other. My brother Luca's scared of the ones that go like popping really loud and the ones that shoot up. Watch out, Pop! Oh, that one went quick. That was like loud instantly. I think that was our loudest one so far. No, it's not. It's not time for the cannons yet. Here we go. Oh, that's cool. I like that. Oh my god! Oh my god, I didn't even know that would... It just went up. It just went up. It didn't even explode in the air. It just went up. Did I get that? Oh my god! I did not expect that. It didn't even go off. Wait, is it gonna fall from the sky? No, I'm plugging my ears. I'm scared. Whoa! Oh, that's cool. It was like, woo! The fireworks. Literally? It even moved. It like moved during the time it was like. That other one, I did not expect like the foom in the sky. Oh, that's cool. I like that's bright. Wait, oh, it's over. That one sucked. I remember Illuminati Triangle. The one who's lighting it bought it for my sister's birthday. Next one, next one.
What the heck? It's red! It's red!
Okay, ready?
Are you bleeding? No, it's just like scary. Oh, we're bleeding! No, it's actually my
Wow. Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Wait, is that the big one? Yeah, that was one of the big ones. Wait, was that the last one? Oh. I need to get closer or something. I want to see these up close. There's another one. Whoa. Oh, I love this one though. These ones are loud. That one was loud. That was like the loudest. No, not the loudest, because the one that shot up, or the other one that shot up but it didn't explode, which it meant to not explode. Too. See that? Yeah, you can definitely see that. If you cannot see that, you're clearly probably blind. You can totally see that over here. Oh, there's more big ones. There's more big ones. Wait, there's more big ones. Oh my god, yes. This is gonna be a big one.
Big one?
Yeah.
Can I see how?
I think it is, at least. Oh wait, what? Here we go.
Going to one in here.
Ready? Ready? He's about to light it.
Tell me when you light it.
There he goes.
Tell me when it lights. That's a big one. That's a big one. I covered my butt. Oh god, you're right.
Whoa! on the ground. The tree!
The tree! The tree's on fire!
The tree's on fire! Oh my God! The tree! No way, the tree's on fire! Oh my God, I'm so scared right now. The tree is on fire! My God, gamers. It is on fire right now. Oh my God, the whole tree's gonna burn down. I never knew. Oh yeah, that's why it's an illegal firework. That one failed and it hit the tree. Wait, it's going out.
You're too late, Marvin.
Is it going out? Wait, it's going out, I think. The tree's still like red on the top. We're so lucky that didn't burn the freaking. I felt the shockwave on my legs as it failed. That was amazing. I actually caught that. There's still like a slight bit of red on it. It's about to go out. That was crazy though. Now it's fine. It's fully out now. Oh my God. Oh, here's one. Could you see there was a bit of purple in there? I'm so scared. Like still, I know it's out and all, but I'm scared if it'll happen again. And then Papa was like, yeah, it's okay. It's all good. There's one. Oh no, that's a big one. Yeah, when I post this is gonna be amazing.
Huh?
People are gonna think the tree caught on fire was clickbait.
Yeah. Just find a tilting tree or like a burning tree.
Well, this was definitely not clickbait, from as you can see.
I got split.
That's bright. Huh? What's up with you? It's like, it was like, I want to keep going. I'm still scared. I'm literally still scared about the tree on fire thing. Like, I'm still scared that it might just go up and kill us all. No, not kill us all, but. Oh, this one's good. Oh, it's green. Just for Luca. Green fire. Green fire. Woo! What? No, they have to do like a big one for last, right? So. I wonder how many big. I mean, I was here when they bought these fireworks. Like I was at the place that they bought them, that we bought them at, and that's where we got Illuminati Triangle and all of these other illegal fireworks. And if you're wondering where we got them, we actually got them in Las Vegas. And my cousin got a shirt for it. He keeps saying they're a big one, and then I'm like, oh no.
Oh, get back!
Fine, Papa, get back. This one's fine. Not too loud. Great. Oh yeah, there was this one time we held a bunch of, oh shoot, big one. The back. Oh, thank God it didn't fail. The warning is poo. Like one time we lit a bunch of sparklers on fire at once and it almost burned the grass. This is kind of dangerous stuff we do over at Papa's house. Oh, there's a bunch of big ones, aren't there? Oh, I'm so scared. I don't want to. What if it catches on fire again? Okay. I'm guessing we're taking a little break because. Oh no, we're not. Oh, there, we have a light over there. And we turned the pool light off. Whoa, that was a big firework over there. Look at all the fireworks they're shooting. Woo! They're all red and white. Oh, crap. Papa's going to surprise us.
Look at these ones.
So Papa's going to surprise us. Papa was going to surprise us, huh? Oh, I thought it was lit. What? Did someone else just light one? Someone else just did a big one. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's a sprinkler. Oh, I thought it was a big one.
They bring our meals out of Mermaid. And me, I was almost an NCO at that point. So I was like, wait, you got my sergeant's plate. And they bring
I feel like my sound on my tablet's going to be broken after this. Sprinkler. What the frick? Oh. Oh, this one's actually bright. I like the light. Oh. I'm pretty sure there was a sparkler once, like a sprinkler firework, and at the end it shot one. No, that other one, I always plug my ears for the big ones. No, isn't this the one that like shoots up but doesn't explode? Where are all the other fireworks from?
Like in my app. And I'm like, oh, it's like fuck. I was like, I think
Sparkler.
I was fucking happy with it. I don't think 4 or 5 minutes apart.
I hear all the other fireworks, but they're like, you can't see them. Probably behind the tree or something, because there's a big tree. Oh, one like exploded up here for a second. What? What? Wait, is there?
Facing us now, so.
Oh crap! Oh no, it's facing that way. It literally fell over. What happened? Did it like shoot? Oh crap! Oh crap! Oh my gosh! Oh, the bush could have caught on fire. What even happened there? Like it just shot that. There's some big ones. Where are they? Where are they coming from? Like it just shot and then it fell over and then it went into the bush next to the tree that almost burned. Is it gonna do the same thing? Because that's the same exact firework. Well, that one was cool. Oh, I'm pretty sure I know why it failed last time. I think it wasn't like shooting all of them out correctly. Oh gosh, I feel like this one's gonna shoot me. Oh, it went again. Oh! It does shoot! It's like, foam! A discount firework, he just said. Oh no, it's one of the big ones. Oh no. Wait, that's not a big one, is it? Oh, he has a big one in his hand though. Oh, look at all these.
Look at Dad, he's like,
Clear. Cool. The big one's next. The big bang one is next. Like this has happened before. It's gone wrong before. It's like exploded on the ground technically before. But today was the worst one we had. One time it just shot and then it exploded near the ground, but not too close. There's a big one. Big one's up. Get ready.
Kind of what happened was take.
Oh, that one was cool. That was like the best one. Wait, was that it? That's all? That's it and that's all?
He lost the line.
Of course you saved the best one for last. That's amazing. I mean, wait, there's one more. There's more. Wait, is that more or? Oh, there's more. There's more. I thought that was all for a second because someone said that's all. Oh, here we go. Here's, I think a sprinkler. Yep.
Is it good enough? I think so.
Oh, that one's cool. It almost reached the tree. Oh, sorry. I was covering the camera lens. Sorry. Oh, that was another one. Lucas thinks Lucas thinks all the sprinkler ones are boring. That one didn't light. Oh, there. I'm like the closest one to them, other than Papa. I'm the closest kid to the firework right there, because I'm the camel man. That one was cool. That one like went everywhere. I bet you have to make a part 2 because eventually it just randomly runs out of time. Like the random video part 1 video. I'm pretty... Oh, these ones have like a flag on it. So these are made for 4th of July. I think they have flags on it. That's what I see.
Without making a fucking sound that like did like kill millions, like dirty bomb fucking borderline nuclear. And we do it like fucking cities, like on the highway, and he wouldn't say a fucking word, like didn't sound nothing. So that's kind of his thing. So it was nice to know he was in good condition. Yeah, I got a kick out of it a little bit.
Farting. Oh, it's on fire. No, like, that one was so loud. No, wait, they did it at the same time. That's why it was so loud. And it lasted like ages, and it sounded like farting at the end. Ew. That was so long and loud. That was like the longest one. Is that a cockroach? Guys, I think I see a cockroach. Oh. Did you just say that was $2,000? Papa. I swear I just saw a cockroach though, like crawling across the ground. Ow! That hurt my ears. I was like, I hate the ones who do that. They're so loud. I didn't post that one.
I know, but do you still have it on your tablet?
There's a fire right there. There's a fire right here. You have to blow it out. Blow out the fire! Wait, you're holding it. Papa's holding the big one. Oh, his shoe, it's on fire. Put it out! Yep, it's out. Oh, wait, it's almost out. There it is. The fire's out. The fire that wouldn't really harm much unless you didn't put it out in time. I'm pretty sure they're doing a big one here. Here we go. Big one.
Woo!
No more, please.
He got so many of those launching ones. Is there more? I mean, there should be more. Oh my gosh, is that another big one? I can't tell, but it's big, but it's not like those skinny ones that launch them, I don't think. And I swear if the camera's sideways this whole video, I'm so sorry. I just have to post it or else you won't be able to see it. It's still like smoking or something. Well, let's just watch them over here real quick. Oh. That was like the loudest one. I know. Like even louder than the one shooting up. That was louder.
We got it.
It was so loud. Oh my god. Oh, someone just shot a big one. Oh my. What's this one? Another really loud one? I have no idea. There's like a firework table over there, but I'm not sure if they have much left. We've used a lot so far. I feel like Papa should just put out all the rest of the big ones out and just not light them at the same time, obviously, because that could be bad. They should just put them out so we know how much is left. Oh wait, that's a big one, right? I think I see him holding a big one. No, that's not. I don't think it is. This one shouldn't shoot. Hold on, I think I did. Stop! That was me screaming after that. After that scream, that was my scream. Yeah, I scream like a girl sometimes. I even talk like a girl sometimes. Oh, I thought it ended there. Like, that would be boring. Big one! Sweet! Very... I need to sit down. It's out. This is actually really fun. Not only are they loud, but it's really fun to see fireworks and sprinklers go off, or I don't know what to call them. Sparkler fireworks, sprinkler fireworks. I mean, I can just call them sprinklers. Knew it! I just have to scream after that. Oh, I bet the dogs were like, what the heck? I think I'm going to be deaf after all these.
No. Gonna be good.
This is the best one we've done after the life I've lived so far. the next firework. There's so many on the ground after. Oh, what? What's that? It screamed so loud and then it popped. No, it sounded like a bunch of people screaming, but it was just a firework, and then we screamed after, and then it popped. Like, no repeating what I said. I think it's gonna explode because it's not shooting them out. Yeah. I thought it was gonna explode because usually when it like doesn't shoot them out correctly, I mean I'm pretty sure it did. I don't know. Oh, this one's kind of big. I swear if it screams. Independence Day's great. Ow! Okay. Yeah. Yeah, that one kind of sucked. Oh, what's this one? It's like square. It's a Illuminati square. No, Illuminati square. Triangle. Correct shaping. Correct geometry, people. Oh crap. I can just stand up now. Oh, look at all these over there. There's some cool ones over here though. Of course after we stop, they stop somehow. They can't hear ours, we can hear theirs though. Papa's Wait, I think he just said this is the last one. Wait, didn't he just say it's called Hasta La Vista, baby? Oh god, Hasta La Vista, baby. Get ready. Sprinkler firework, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh! It's either it failed or it freaking.
No wonder it says Hasta La Vista.
Yeah, Hasta La Vista. Oh! It's not over! It's not over! It's not over!
Oh my God!
What? It like randomly started going again. No, it's either I failed at one point or just that was a part of it, but that was cool. It like did the crackling right there.
What?
No one expected that. It just went off again.
Better off by myself than I just lay it one. I ain't never liked it like that.
Oh, it's it going again. Are you serious? Are you serious? It's going again. I swear if it goes again, this is crazy if it goes again. I think it's over. Happy birthday, Kenny, I think you said. And happy something something. What's Independence Day about again? I'm so sorry. Yeah, hasta la vista, baby. Look at all those fireworks on the ground. That was great. That was awesome. That was our best fire show yet. That was crazy, but I know one failed, a tree caught on fire. Probably more failed, I don't know. It's either a part of it or I don't know, but the one that tree caught on fire was crazy. But I hope you liked the video. We're not gonna do the sparklers on camera because that's kind of boring. So I'll see you guys possibly tomorrow. So peace out, guys. This was a cool day.